Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself and your family too. Welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. Friends, before starting today's video, I would like to ask you something. Just read this sentence. She used to study late at night. Now read this sentence too. She's used to studying late at night. Can you find out the difference between these two sentences? Here I am saying she used to study late at night, but here I am saying she is used to studying late at night. So what's the difference? If you don't know about this difference, then I would suggest you to watch this video completely without skipping. Maybe you learned something useful. So let's start quickly without wasting our time. Today's topic is used to versus be used to. They look quite similar and simple, but they are different from each other. And today in this video, I'll explain the difference between used to and be used to. So let's start with used to. We use used to explain about past situation, something which has happened in the past, but it doesn't exist at present. Or to talk about repeated action or state in the past. Okay, so we use used to express something about past situation, repeated action or state in the past, which doesn't exist at present. Alright, and remember one thing, that we cannot change the form of used to. We'll use used to as it is. You cannot write used to by removing D in place of used to. Okay, so you have to use used to as it is to express about past situation, repeated action or some state in the past. Did you get it? Now, what's the structure of a sentence when we use used to? Subject plus used to plus base form of verb. That means first form of verb. For example, here you see, he used to play with them. Subject, then used to, then base form of verb, first form of verb. So this is sentence structure to use used to. Alright, so we cannot use any verb before used to. We use used to just after subject. Remember it. Now you'll understand better with examples. I used to live with them. As I told you that we use used to express something about past situation. So I used to live with them, but at present I don't live with them. He used to work for long hours. That means now he doesn't work for long hours. She used to get up early in the morning. That means she doesn't get up early in the morning now. So here we are using used to express past situation, repeated action. Okay, so in this way we use used to. And I already told you, if you write like I was used to live with them, like by using was here before used to, or if you say he's used to work for long hours, by using is before used to, or she was used to get up early in the morning. That means if you used any verb as MR, was verb to be before used to, it will be grammatically wrong. So when you are using used to express past situation, repeated action or state in the past, you cannot use verb to be before used to. Remember it. Alright, now I'll explain about be used to. We use be used to express habit. When we talk about something we are familiar with, we are accustomed to. Be used to means verb to be before used to. Verb to be like is, am, are, was, were, etc. before used to. To express habit or to talk about something you are familiar with or you are accustomed to. Okay, now you will understand better with examples. He's used to taking coffee at night. So it's his habit to take coffee at night. That's why be used to is used here. Is verb to be plus used to plus verb plus ing. Okay, he's used to taking coffee at night. I'm used to getting up early in the morning. She was used to eating fruits in the morning. So here, habit is expressed by using be used to. See other examples. He's used to solving these puzzles. So he's familiar with solving these puzzles very easily. They are used to living in hot climate. So they are accustomed to live in hot climate. So we use this sentence pattern, be used to pattern, to express a habit or something you're familiar with or you're accustomed to. Alright? So what is the sentence structure? Subject plus verb to be plus used to plus noun or verb plus ing plus object. So when we use be used to, we follow this sentence pattern. Now you can see this example. She is used to driving on her left. So here verb to be plus used to plus verb plus ing, then on her left. So this is the sentence structure we are following to use be used to. Okay. Now again, I'll explain about this sentence structure with the same examples. You see here, he's used to taking coffee at night. So verb to be plus used to plus verb plus ing. I'm used to getting up early in the morning. So here am is verb to be, then used to plus verb plus ing. Then you see, she was used to eating fruits in the morning. So here verb to be, then used to plus verb plus ing. But when we use used to express past situation, we don't use verb to be before used to, and we use base form of the verb, you remember. But here we use verb to be before used to, and we use verb plus ing here, or we use noun like I am used to this place. So this is the way we use be used to. You see, I asked you the difference between these two sentences, and I hope it's very well clear to you. She used to study late at night. So here used to plus base form. So I'm talking about past situation which doesn't exist at present. She used to study late at night, but at present she doesn't study late at night. Okay, but here you see she is used to studying late at night. We are using verb to be before used to, then verb plus ing. That means I am talking about a habit. She is used to studying late at night. That means she has this habit to study late at night. So this is the difference between these two sentences. Now I'll explain the difference between used to and be used to in short. Used to is always used in past form. We cannot change this form used to in any other form. Neither we can use is, am, are, was, were, will before used to, nor we can use used to as used to by removing D. Okay? And be used to can be used in any form of tense like past, present or future by adding is, am, are, was, were, will before used to. And the sentence structure to use used to is used to plus base form of verb, and it is used to express past situation, repeated action or a state in the past. And here sentence pattern is verb to be plus used to plus noun or verb plus ing. Verb to be, I think it's very clear to you, is, am, are, was, were or will plus used to, then noun or verb plus ing. Okay, like he's used to this place or he's used to living here, like that. And it is used to express habit. It is used to talk about something you're familiar with or you're accustomed to. So these are the differences, and I hope you have understood it well. If you like this video, then please press like, and you can subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button below. You can read my blog post by clicking exploremoreandlearn.com. and the link you can get in the description box below. So thanks for watching this video, and very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.